Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Myra from Low Carb Love, and today we're gonna be making a keto cooked spicy tuna roll. So stay tuned because you're gonna be absolutely obsessed with this. It's super easy to make, budget friendly, and super delicious. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients and step by step on how to make it. Let's get started with our cauli rice. So this is just a regular bag of rice cauliflower. I buy the big bag like at Costco, and you can use a fresh, head of cauliflower and then just kind of rice it yourself. But we're going the easy route and just buying a, using a bag. We're going to microwave this for 3 minutes. We cook this for 3 minutes, and it's gonna look just like this. So, cauliflower has a lot of water, so we're just gonna cut the little tip. And you're gonna grab a towel because obviously it's hot, and you're gonna be careful, of course, okay? Do this at your own risk. And we're going to squeeze all the water out. Hold on. You don't want any of the cauliflower to fly out. So basically, you want to make sure there's no cauliflower at the tip, or else you'll start squirting out cauli rice. Okay? Wrap it up like a little burrito. And now let's go ahead and... that should be good. Okay, so that should be good. Let's take a look at what our rice looks like. So as you can tell, we got most of the water out. There was still a little more, but it's really hot, so I just got this. Okay, so let's go ahead and cook it. I'm gonna show you how we make sushi rice. Okay, so we're gonna cook this on medium heat. You're gonna put your pan, we're gonna add our oil. You're gonna add your oil of choice. You can use avocado, olive, or coconut. Okay, so let's let it heat up. And then we're gonna add our rice. Our cauli rice. And we're going to just stir it around. And what we're going to do now is make sure that all the water evaporates from the cauliflower, okay? Okay, so this has been cooking for about 3 minutes, I would say. And this is ready. So if you were just making cauli rice, at this point you would just add, salt, pepper, whatever you'd like, and then serve. But we're not doing that. We're making sushi rice. So what we're going to do is cut the heat. You don't want to add your vinegar when the heat is on. So you're going to cut the heat, add your vinegar, sweetener. If you didn't know, sushi rice has sugar, a pinch of salt, and mix. Okay, so we're just going to mix that together. Super simple. And once this is all combined, you have sushi rice. Okay, so our cauli rice is now cooked. We're going to set this aside, and we're going to start making our cooked spicy tuna mixture. So you're going to add the tuna to a larger bowl, and we're going to add our mayo. Try to get all of that goodness. We're going to add some sriracha. You guys can add less. This is 1 teaspoon. You can add a little less if you're not about the spicy life. But, I think it just gives it like a little kick. But if you're like really sensitive to spice, then just use like a quarter or, even none. We're going to add a little sweetener. Or use powder. And a tiny bit of sesame oil. Now we got everything in, and now let's mix. Okay, so we're gonna set this tuna mixture to the side, and let's finish prepping our ingredients. So we have our cucumber, and of course you're gonna make it as thin or as thick as you want, and add as much as you want as well. So we can make some a little bit thinner. And again, I'm not a professional cutter here, so don't judge my cutting skills. But so we have all of our cucumber. Now we're going to get our avocado, slice it, because avocado is pretty crucial, I would say, unless you absolutely, hate it. If you don't like it, then okay, but it gives it creaminess and I just love it. Okay, so I just kind of slice it down the middle, you know, all the way. And now let's make our roll. Okay, so now we have our sushi rice, we have our cooked tuna mixture, we have our cucumber, our avocado, some sesame seeds that we're gonna use. So I'm gonna use this little sushi roller. This is our seaweed that we're gonna use. Okay, so we're gonna put one sheet. And you're just gonna wanna use the glossy side down, so you're gonna fill the rougher part of the seaweed wrap, okay? Okay, so we have our sushi roller. Now we're going to add our seaweed. We're gonna add our sushi rice. We're gonna actually layer it right on top of the seaweed. Then we will add our tuna mixture. We're gonna add some of the cucumber, a little avocado, sprinkle with some sesame seeds, and then we're gonna probably top it off with some sriracha and some sweet mayo. So now we're going to roll this little baby up. So you're gonna kind of like push down on it and then kind of scoop things all together so you can have a nice tight little sushi burrito. Okay, so then you roll it and then you grab your little sushi roller and squeeze it. So that way it's like nice and tight, you know? And it's gonna be easier to cut. Ooh. Okay, and then lastly, one more squeeze. There you have it. Spicy tuna, cooked spicy tuna roll. All right guys, so this is our favorite part of the video, the taste test. So Nathi and I are going to give our homemade sushi a try. Wait, we're gonna get a little bit of the wasabi. Get it in this little corner. You can use that corner. Oh, I used the wrong corner. Ready?
Cheers.
And cheers. How's it?
Mm-hmm.
You taste like real sushi? Truth.
Oh my god.
She said, oh my god. I swear you can't even tell that this is tuna, like from a can. Super affordable, super delicious, totally worth making, like 1000%. You guys have to try it. Oh, you're just gonna go to town right here? Okay. I'm a huge fan of ginger, so I add a little ginger to mine. Our little soy sauce with wasabi. Nathi has a little spicy mayo that she made.
I love spicy mayo.
Oh, the ginger.
Is it?
Guys, I'm like, I don't even know what to say about this right now. 1000% you guys have to make it. Really? We're not gonna say invite everyone? So Nathi is just gonna sit here and like, you know, demolish the rest of the sushi. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe. Super simple, super affordable, totally worth making. Please tag me on your recreation so that I can post it on my Instagram channel. And guys, until next time, we love you and we'll see you on our next video. Mwah.